Okay, so this is the portable Apple CarPlay unit that I bought for my Land Rover Defender. I've bought it off Amazon. It was £35.99. That includes a camera, which I haven't installed. I'll put a link to the item. It comes with an adapter. You know, it's got inbuilt speakers, microphone. Now, I haven't used the adapter on this occasion. I've used some sticky pads that are intended for number plate adhesion. And yeah, really impressed. I ordered it yesterday, it came today, and I had it installed within literally 5 minutes. Okay, I actually did it so quick that I forgot to video the install process. Right, so here we are in my Land Rover Defender. This is a 1999 110. I have no speakers, no stereo of any kind in here, and up until now I've just been using a mobile phone mount. So if we turn the ignition on, you'll see that straight away it boots up. Now that logo can be adjusted. And what's going to happen now is the CarPlay is going to kick in, I think, pretty quickly, to be honest. And you can hear some music playing out of the speakers at the back. Now, the music quality, you've got a volume control here. You know, it'll do. It's not going to rock your world in any way. And you just press that to mute it. So, yeah, I mean, I've not done a long journey to test it for a phone call yet. The Land Rover is very loud, but my primary purpose of this was to give me a satellite navigation capability. So I haven't used this bracket, you can see here. What I've done instead is I've used the number plate adhesive on the bottom and on the back surface, and it's very solid. And then I've got the plug socket there and access to all of the components. And I've just wrapped it round the back and brought it there. And you can see there's quite a handy USB port as well, so you don't actually lose anything. In terms of use, I think, you know, it's like any other CarPlay unit, so very easy to use. I don't know what the picture quality is like, but genuinely I'm very impressed. It moves nice and easily. If I want to play some music, I can just simply play it. Standard CarPlay functionality. Yeah, if I go to Waze, click home, I think it's brilliant. I'm very impressed. For £34.99, I think you'd struggle to beat this, to be honest. You know, I've got all the other cables. It includes a camera. I could plug it into a stereo. There's an FM transmitter. So if we want to go back to the main menu, we can just press that button there. And in here, there are the ability to do other things like Android Auto, transmit to the radio, if you want to play through the radio. All pretty common features, and hopefully you can see. I mean, I've got to say, I'm extremely impressed with this. You know, for £34.99, it's staggering, to be honest, that it can be achieved for that. Let's see how long it lasts. Thank you very much for watching. I'll put a link to the actual unit. There are lots of choices on Amazon. I wasn't sure which one to go with. Maybe they're all as good as this, I don't know. But thank you for watching.